And now joining us live from Kolkata is Suzette Jordan, a rape survivor, remember of the horrific incident that took place on Park Street. Suzette, thank you so much for speaking with Headlines today. And as you probably know today, the quantum of punishment is in fact going to be delivered in this horrific and brutal gang rape that took place in February 2 years ago in 2012. And the Dwarka court, remember, has in fact has pronounced this case as the rarest of rare cases. Now, the Delhi police has pushed for the harshest of punishment, which is the death penalty. And we also spoke with Abha Singh a while ago, who also said these convicts deserve that because of the nature of the crime. Now, we understand that you've gone through something that is hard, that horrific and that harsh. Do you agree with that? Would you want to see these convicts, these three men, be granted the death penalty?
Sorry, can you please repeat that? I didn't hear you quite well.
We understand that Abha Singh, remember, a senior lawyer, we spoke with her a while ago, has said that the three men in this case, the three accused, should be given the death penalty because of the nature of the crime. And the Delhi police is also pushing for that. You've gone through something like this, that this brutality has in fact been inflicted on you as well. Do you agree with the death penalty?
Well, I personally don't agree with the death penalty because I feel that the people that, cause this kind of pain and do these savagery things to us, they need to feel that pain, they need to understand what they have done, and they need to know the kind of trauma and torture they can put somebody else through. And I don't feel that just by giving them a death penalty that they really understand what they've done to this girl, or for that matter the rape of any woman, because I feel the rape of a woman is the murder of her soul.